How to use drawing tools in Microsoft OneNote. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to draw in your Microsoft OneNote? Then you're in the right place. I'll show you how to easily use the drawing tools in your notebook on Microsoft OneNote. So, let's dive right in. Open up any browser and head over to your Microsoft OneNote. And once you have created a notebook, you can see draw option in the top left in the ribbon bar. You just need to tap on it and you'll get access to various drawing tools. So you can see pen, you can see highlighter, or you can see draw with touch. You can use this if you have touch screen, or you can just use pen or highlighter and you can choose the color of your choice. And you can see a palette here, tap on the drop down, choose the color. And then you can just drag your mouse or work on your notepad or just touch it. So there you can see that it's really easy to write, it's really easy to draw from this in your notepad. You can choose highlighter if you want to. So this is how it looks like. There you go. So if you want to erase it, you also have the eraser option here. Just erase whatever you don't like. You just need to tap on it to erase it. There you go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.